welcome. How's it going? Alright, what you can see in front of me is the new King's 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Now, I might get a little bit of crap about this, but I've used plenty of King's products, and you know, there's good and bad and everything. I do have a King's 1500 watt inverter in the back of the Ranger. I've tried to overload it and I can't. The thing, it's incredible. So this 3000 watt one here is going to be hardwired into this caravan. The reason for that is we'll be able to not connect to power. This will power the entire van once turned on, and will actually be enough power to run the air conditioner completely off grid without being connected to mains. So I'm going to get down and dirty and do the install of the inverter. I've got an electrician, a licensed electrician, lined up to come in and run the 240 volt power and switches and whatever else he needs to run to make this thing legal and give me a certificate for it. Now, like I said, this thing is a new inverter on the market, but inverters are not new to King's by any means. So look, I'm going to give it a crack. If it's anything like the 1500 watt one, this thing's not going to fail. These things are bloody incredible. Something new that King's have brought out though is, and you can probably see it here, is the remote switch. Now, King's have never had one of these before. To tell you the truth, I wouldn't mind putting one in the back of the Ranger. It would make life a lot easier. But I will mount it in here, and I'll probably put it up here on the wall just behind me. I don't know if you can see that. So look, without further ado, let's get into unboxing this thing and have a look at the quality of it. Unboxing, I mean, it's not going to give you the full rundown, but it's going to show you, at least to some degree, the quality and the packaging of this thing. Now, it all looks pretty good, but it's what it does that needs to be tested. So let's have a look. I might just quickly add before we get into unboxing this, any other inverter on the market is bulk money, like big money. For something decent at this power rating of 3000 watts, you're looking a couple of grand. I picked this inverter and this remote switch up for under $500. Under 500 bucks. If it does its job, who cares what brand it is? But like I said, if it's anything like the 1500 watt in the car, this thing's going to kill it. So this here, there's 6 meters of cable on this. So it doesn't matter where you mount this thing, the inverter or the switch, 6 meters. I mean, that's a heck of a lot of cable. So 6 meters of cable. It does have a 12-month warranty on the switch itself. So, I mean, let's have a look. I mean, it's packed neatly, you know, it's not just jammed in there and hope for the best. Definitely there is 6 meters of cable there, guys. That is huge. Now, the switch itself actually looks, that's going to look pretty neat on the wall. I'm pretty impressed with that. There it is there. I mean, nothing wrong with that. Good solid button on it. It's definitely got a bright LED in there by the look of it. Can't wait to get it mounted, to tell you the truth. 12-month warranty card. I'm not going to go through the ins and outs of the warranty, but it's there. You know, everything comes with a warranty. It's up to you what you do with it. But I would suggest keeping your receipt and filling out the warranty information if need be. So all in all, Pretty happy with that. It was packaged pretty neatly. It's a tidy looking product, and for a new product I'm pretty happy. So can't wait to get that run. Grab a knife quickly off the knife rack here in the caravan. Let's have a look. Now, just some specs on this thing before we get into opening it up. Like I said before, it is a 3000 watt. It's a pure sine wave too, so it is safe to run things like your laptops, your TVs, your battery chargers for your cameras and stuff like that. It's not going to damage any of that. Now, laptops are a pretty sensitive thing. Being pure sine wave, that is 100% safe to charge that stuff. So 3000 watt pure sine wave, it's 12 volt DC, 240 volt AC. It runs on a frequency of 50 to 60 hertz. Power usage at standby mode, it only pulls 2 amps. Yeah, I mean, 9 times out of 10 you've got a pretty good battery system in your caravan if you're going to be running something like this of the stature. I've got 400 amps in here, so I've definitely got no problem running it. I don't know in comparison other brands on weight. This thing is quite heavy. Like I said, I haven't actually picked anything else up to try it, but it comes in at 7.2 kilos. It is a big unit though. I mean, it does say here dimensions. It's 590 long, 240 wide by 100 mil thick. So it is a big unit. But hey, look, they definitely look the goods. Like I said, the one in the car works well. So let's have a look. It definitely fills that box up. Neatly packaged. I'm not going to say it's not, because it definitely is. It's pretty solidly in there. I'm going to have trouble getting it out by looking at it. Alright, there it is, the beast, the big 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Alrighty. Alright. Guys, again, user manual, everything comes with it these days. Warranty card on the back. Again, same as the Switch, it's got a 12-month warranty. It's got all your usual, safety warnings and specifications, installation, safety and features, the vehicle batteries, protection features, troubleshooting, and your warranty. So everything's in the book there that you need. Again, I can't stress enough, keep your warranty, keep your receipt. 4-Drive Supercenter SL Kings, they are pretty damn good with it. They actually keep everything on record if you've got your email address linked up. So for us, we don't have a drama there. It's all on record anyway. But comes with two battery cables. I'll tell you what, they're bloody thick cables. 35 mil. That's what that says. Is that right? 35mm square. There you go. What I might do is actually is measure that and just I'll drop it in the comments or on the screen below, somewhere down here, somewhere. I'll actually measure the thickness of that and drop it in. But there you have it. 2 cables. I'm gonna say there's roughly just looking at it. There'd have to be about 500 mil in each one in length. So bloody heavy duty cables. The inverter itself, 2 power points, 10 amp. So I will speak to the electrician about what goes on there, because the caravan obviously is 15 amp. USB charging point, your on-off switch, and that there is the plug for your remote control. Exactly the same as the smaller 1500 watt one. On the other end of it here, negative, positive, and 2 cooling fans. Now, you'll probably find that these things are going to run most of the time. You know, if you need a 3000 watt inverter, you're running pretty decent power. So 4 mounting tabs, 2 either end. Nice and easy itself. It's a pretty tidy looking unit, to tell the truth. Pretty happy with that. So guys, there you have it. There is the 3000 watt King's pure sine wave inverter and the brand new remote from King's. There it is, it's unpackaged, it's there. It's a bloody nice looking unit. I actually can't wait to get this thing installed and get this caravan powered completely off grid. This is the last piece to the puzzle. We were going to go with a bigger, better brand, but like I said, I've got one of these in the car, a smaller one. It runs bloody incredible. They just released it. They're selling like hotcakes. I had to go to 3 different stores to pick this bloody thing up. I ended up at Brendale. They only had a few left. So obviously very popular early. It is a proven product, like I said, in previous models. It's exactly the same. This thing is just bigger. I'll tell you what, the colour of it. I mean, I know colour doesn't mean anything, but bloody hell, it looks good. So anyway guys, there you have it. What I will do on the next episode, I will drop in maybe an installation video of this, and then when we get the electrician sorted, I might speak to him. If he doesn't mind being filmed, I might actually film him installing it into the caravan, and give you a rundown on how you power a 240 volt system off grid. Now we do have a generator, and I mean that could come in handy if we were in really crap weather there for a long time, but this is a quick, you know, overnight thing or whatever. If we need to power the air conditioner for a couple of hours on a bloody hot day, this thing will do it. So like I said, the battery system's big enough to cater for it. So we'll get it installed. I'll give you guys a quick look at that when I install it. That'll come in the next video. And then hopefully, like I said, getting the electrician in, I'll link it all into one and get him installing it. So I can't stress enough, please guys, it is all well and good to wire this thing in and have it run off these plugs here. Do not, I can't stress enough, do not try to attempt to wire in from this to your caravan. It is 240 volt. You need a licensed electrician, somebody that can actually sign off on it and give you the certificate. If you don't have it, don't do it. It's silly, it's dangerous, it's not safe. It could lead to catastrophic consequences for you and or your family. That's not something anybody wants. You bought a caravan to go out there and live life and enjoy it. Don't risk your safety or your family's. Pay a professional, get it wired in properly. On that note guys, I'm out of here. I will see you on the next episode of installing this bad boy into the caravan. Until then, peace out, see you later.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We